Finance Minister Enoch has announced increases in social grants in line with inflation. Minister says almost half of the population is currently on some form of grant in the country. Old age, disability, child dependency and war veterans grant will all increase by 95 Rand, while child support and foster care grant go up by just 20 Rand. The special COVID-19 social relief of distress grant is allocated 44 billion Rand for an additional 12 months. This is government's efforts to help cushion the unemployment and COVID-19 pandemic blow.
The old age, war veterans, disability and care dependence grants will increase by 90 Rand in October. The foster care and child support grants will increase by a once-off 20 Rand in April.
It has set aside 44 billion Rand for special COVID-19 social relief of distress grant for the next 12 months.
Look, I think if you just look in terms of social grant, it's really just an inflation adjustment. Remember, in the last budget, there wasn't much of an increase. So this tries to catch up to that increase and provide an inflation adjustment to them. But if we look just beyond the usual social grant, if you look in the COVID relief grant, that has been extended for a full year. It's 44 billion Rand that is going to be used to fund that. But if you also look in terms of the, no adjustment in the fuel levy, no adjustment in the road accident fund, also puts about 3.5 billion into the pockets of South Africans.
To address unemployment in the country, government has allocated 76 billion Rand for job creation programs.
And we don't see much in the budget that's going to help reduce that. The presidential employment program, which we have supported, we were led to believe is going to create about 800,000 jobs like last year. It's been reduced to about creating about 500,000 jobs. But we don't see much on the policy front, on the stimulus front, which is really going to reduce unemployment from an untenable level of 46%.
Health Department will be allocated additional funds to fund medical interns and community doctors, as well as the vaccine drive in the country, while education will also receive additional funds to support basic education, NSFAS, higher education, arts and culture. Government notes that nearly half of the country's population receives at least one form of social grant from the state. Nothando Makutulela, SABC News, Parliament.